So the tech that you would normally work with really depends on your client, but fortunately Shine has this atmosphere that people tend to use the latest technology, the newest tools. I work in a team that is both backend and front-end, the newest Angular, but recently, for example, one of the newest tools that we started using was Azure DevOps and Terraform.
Front end, I've been using things like React and TypeScript to enhance my abilities in the sort of asynchronous world.
I'm doing a lot of front-end browser development at the moment. So React or GraphQL, a lot of serverless technologies. We use a lot of TypeScript. Shine developers overall work across an even broader stack of technologies. So it might be React or Angular on the front end. We're starting to use GraphQL a lot, sort of as a middle tier layer. Java, Kotlin, we're doing a lot of work with Kotlin, which is fantastic. A lot of our clients are doing API work and want people who have like skills in that area. So often it's kind of the middle tier work with Java or Kotlin. And we're also starting to move on to other sorts of technologies for services, things like GraphQL as well. So not just REST APIs, but also GraphQL. A lot of serverless infrastructure, AWS Lambda, also running things inside containers, so Docker containers, AWS ECS is another thing that we're using as well. All the way through to the back-end data stores like DynamoDB, AWS RDS, and we also do work with big data in the Google space as well, and AI, which is fantastic.
Spark and Databricks, as well as the incorporation of tools and data engineering tools such as Pandas.
And then in the DevOps space, it's all the hardcore infrastructure, AWS EC2, all of the networking side of things, VPCs.
We've also been working with machine learning, so incorporating models for natural language processing.
I think some of the hottest stuff that we've been working with lately is Kafka. So a lot of event-based architectures and things like that. I'm really excited about the GraphQL work that we're doing. React is always kind of cutting edge and doing really interesting things. And I think finally also infrastructure automation is something that is becoming increasingly important. So things like Terraform or AWS CDK, I really think that there's going to be a lot more application for those in future. And so we're starting to look actively into learning them and how to advise our clients as to how to use them best.